The Oppo Find N5, or OnePlus Open 2 for markets outside of China, is officially launching on February 20th. Oppo finally confirmed the date, and since they're planning a global synchronous release, both devices will drop around the same time in different regions. Now, Oppo didn't just stop at the date. They've released official images of the Find N5. But the real highlight? Actual hands-on photos are out, and the phone looks stunning. You can clearly see the new Hasselblad camera setup, and that large cover display? It's giving off strong OnePlus Open vibes, even a bit of Pixel 9 Pro Fold energy. What really stands out is how the display looks almost crease-free, even when it's turned off, something you don't see often with foldables. It's also confirmed that the device will come with a protective case for the back and hinge, plus a plastic screen protector that stretches close to the edges of the cover display. They've kept the alert slider and side-mounted fingerprint sensor too, which is always a nice touch. Now about the rumored specs of OnePlus Open 2, it's said to be super slim, just 9.2mm when folded. The display setup sounds impressive. An 8-inch LTPO OLED main screen with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, plus a 6.4-inch cover display. Under the hood, it's expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 7 cores, with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The battery? A hefty 5,700 mAh with 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. There will be a few changes between the OnePlus Open 2 and the Oppo Find N5, mainly in software aspects like AI used and camera algorithms, especially for skin tone processing. However, when it comes to hardware, the differences will be minimal. For the camera game, we're looking at a triple 50-megapixel setup, main, ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Plus, it's got up to IPX9 water resistance for added durability. And when it comes to colors, you'll have dusk purple, jade white, and satin black to choose from. Looks like February 20th is going to be an exciting day for foldable fans. Stay tuned for more updates, and let me know what you think about these foldables in the comments. Peace.